Hi, I am Satyen Tambat. I am from Pune. I finalized WLP MTech Manufacturing Management Program. Few key considerations I had at the time of finalizing were one is program focus areas, that is Industry 4.0, digital manufacturing, analytics, disruptive innovation, project management, flexible manufacturing, etc. Second, the course to take into consideration my work schedule and need to have flexible working hours. The WLP MTech Manufacturing Management Program takes into consideration all these, and with choice of electives right from first semester, online weekend lectures from industry professional and BITS Pilani faculty members, which are quite interesting and absorbing. Perfect balance between both my work schedule and education. I used to actively participate in the online lectures which are at weekends, and there was times when I wasn't able to attend these lectures, but since the lecture was also a kind of facility, recording facility was available, I used to get it availed as per my convenience.
Monday to Friday being pretty busy for me, I'm very happy that WILP offers us online lectures during the weekend. Of course, that involves a little bit of personal sacrifice wherein we are not able to have the leisure time to spend with family and friends. But the best part is, on a Sunday evening, we feel really satisfied that we have our weekend very productive. And also, if due to any personal commitments or other office work or something like that, if we are not able to attend the lecture at a particular time when the lecture is scheduled for, we have the capability to actually listen to the lecture at our convenient time, since all of this is being recorded.
Initially, I was worried how I should manage my work schedule and academics. So since the classes are happening over the weekends, then it is not disturbing my regular work schedule in the weekdays. So, and if I missed any of the classes over the weekends due to my personal and professional commitments, it is always there. The recorded lectures will be available in the portals. We can refer to them at my convenient time.
As a part of my work, I also had to work on weekends at times whenever there are production releases or some other activities planned. So that helped a lot. Whenever I did not have flexibility to attend class, I will come back and I will look into the Impartus videos. And Impartus has very good facility where you can have a video notes bookmark, so that you are never out of touch with those topics. So whenever you want to look into those topics, you simply need to click on that video note and that video will open for you. It was amazing to see Impartus had all these facilities, and which helped me a lot. Next to that, I also would like to mention WILP also provides pre-recorded session. Before you jump into any coursework or any class, you will have all the sessions recorded, pre-recorded in smaller chunks, so you can look into those courses before attending class, so that it will give you the perspective what you are going to be taught in the class, and you will be well prepared for that class.